So you just signed up for your online business and now you need to track your progress. You need to track your website to let you know what type of progress you're getting on a daily basis or weekly basis, especially when you're running traffic to your opportunity. Well, you're going to learn more about that because I'm going to introduce you to a product called ClickMagick. You might have heard of it, but if you haven't yet, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what ClickMagick is and what it can do for you. My name is Shelton and welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about what is ClickMagick and what can ClickMagick do for your business. Now, I've been using ClickMagick for almost a year now, and it's really been very helpful for me when I'm tracking my website clicks. That's website visitors going to your website, and you can basically track exactly what type of activity is happening on your opportunity. Now, one of the first things you need to do is log in. And right below this video, I do have a website where you can sign up for a 14-day free trial with ClickMagick. 14-day free trials. You can go in, you can check it out, you can start your account and go ahead and start building your first tracking link. So we're going to do that in this video as well. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and sign up. Now I've already signed up already, so I can go ahead and log in. But if I did not log in, it will prompt me to say, create your free account. But okay, so I've already done it already. So one of the things you can also do, if you're not really sure what ClickMagick is, you can just click right here. What is ClickMagick? So ClickMagick is basically saying it's been started in 2014, and it's a way of basically understanding exactly how to track your progress. Pretty much what I've been saying. So you can watch the letter here. I just want to show you exactly what that is. The founder of ClickMagick started in 2014, and they just basically a personal letter from the founder, Patrick Kelly. So we're going to go ahead and log in real fast here. So let's go ahead and log in. So I'm going to log in, and we're starting from scratch here. I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you exactly what this is. Now, all back here is pretty much information about ClickMagick, 1 hour support. There is an affiliate program with this, so other people can kind of use this service as well. I do have a 14-day free trial for you to go ahead and check it out right below this video. And it does have information about here if you want to take your tracking to a whole new level. But this is a basic training that I'm going to do here for you as well. So the first thing that I would do is you want to go ahead and click on campaigns. So here, I'm going to show you this here. Let me show you this real fast before I go to campaign. This right here is your profile. So you can actually change your profile, your settings, your billing, just basically information about when you're starting your accounts. You can change your name, you can change your billing information, and you also can check your activity level as well. So the first thing let's go ahead and do is go to campaigns, right? So we're going to go ahead into campaigns, and then let's go to links right here. So let's go ahead and create your first tracking link. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do, you can have a link group. Let's say you are advertising your own opportunity, you just got started. Now you need to set up a tracking link where you can track that link. That way you'll know what the clicks are, with the percentage of the clicks. That way you can also track additional activity with that funnel and that link. So it's so important to track everything in your business. Now the first thing you could do here is set up a link group. Now you can create a link group right here by pressing here. You can just type in, let's say testing 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be my link group right here. All right. Then I can click right here. And a link group is a way of just basically grouping all your links together. So if you're just using one opportunity, like a CPA or something like that, then you can just type in the name of that group and you can link all that together. If you have other opportunities, then you can basically group. I like to group everything together. That way you know exactly what that is. Now this is a testing here, so we're going to go ahead and just test this right here. The next thing you want to do is create a link name for your tracking link. So let's say a lot of times what I like to do, if you're running solo ads, which that's basically a provider that's allowing you to run your opportunity, your link towards their list, I like to put the solo ad name there and then how many clicks that I'm ordering. So if this is like a solo ad tracking or Facebook, you can do Facebook or YouTube as well. Let's say his name was Willie. So I'll say Willie, 300 clicks, And sometimes I put the date here. I put 04/02/2000. So I say Willie's the person, is the solo ad person, 300 clicks, and I put the date, something that I can remember. You can put anything in there you want, but you want the link name to know exactly what you can reference to. So that's so important. I see people making this mistake. They'll just put something down here and they don't even know what this really means. Put exactly what you can remember. Something simple. The name, you can put Facebook, you can even say Facebook ad. Facebook ads, let's say you're just tracking your Facebook ads. You can do Facebook ads, 300 clicks, and then the date. You know, you can do something like that. So I was just gonna leave it on Willie. That's the person. And then here, you can actually have this empty because it'll go ahead and pretty much put some numbers already in there. It'll go ahead and add it in there, but you can just say something like, you can just say, you know, 1 Willie 300 or something like that. Track the link. Something to remember, you can do that. It'll automatically, you can leave this blank because it automatically will put information already for you. And the next thing here is just your website. I'm gonna just put a website down there. I'll put yahoo.com. Let's say yahoo.com was my opportunity. That was my website that I'm getting people to come to, for they can go ahead and visit my website and opt into my page, right? Like a funnel. So I'm just gonna do yahoo.com here just for an example. Just for an example here. You know what? I can even do something better. Let me see if I have something. I'm gonna use something I used before. I'm gonna use a link I used before. I'm gonna use a link there. So I'm gonna actually use a real funnel link. That's one of my opportunity, work with adamshelton.clickfunnels.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and use an actually real link just to my website to get people's attention. So all you need to do is click on create link, and that's how you start your basic tracking link. And then at the top here, right here, go to your group. Remember we talked about the link group, and it's right here. It's very important to have a link group. That way you can group all your information all in one. So that's what that is there. And then right here, let's break down what's at the top here. The link name. TC stands for total clicks, just like it says here. UC stands for unique clicks. And then FC stands for flag clicks. And the flag clicks are like dead clicks. They're not real clicks. They're kind of bot clicks, and they usually be taken out. So you want to really pay attention to these two, the total clicks and unique clicks. You definitely want to pay attention to those. A is basically action. So you're going to get the number of action. That's the number of people that's opting into your funnel. So it's going to be a number there as well. And a prime example, let me look at one here that's got information here. So example, this one here is got 58 clicks, 50 unique clicks, and then you got flagging, 56 were flagged, and then you got 41 was action. That's 41 leads that actually came into my funnel, put their email in there, and they actually already on my autoresponder already. They're already into my business already, and it's an 82% accurate rate, 82% of action conversion rate. So that's what that means here. Here, I use these if I've got a bridge page, which I'll do in another video, like in a future video. If you have a bridge page, which basically is a video that introduces your opportunity to that customer, then you'll actually have this engagement and engagement conversion rate as well. So those will be filled out. And I actually have one before. Let me look at one. This one I've got some here. So you got some engagement here. I filled out here. Let me look at a good one here. I'm going to show you one. Didn't want to get you all out of here. I just want to break down what this means. So this is a good one. We'll show one that's a good one. So these are good. Like this one's a good one right here. 54% opt-in rate, 49%. That's how many bridge page visitors I had on my website. That 49% there. So let's go back to test. And let's go back to review real fast. So pretty much we had a link group name, which is typed in the link group name. Very, very simple. The link name. Now remember, link group name, all you do is click here and you can just make up a name up. That's part of it. Then your link name, you want to name that link name something you can remember by. So put the name in there, put the number of clicks, and put the date in there as well. I also like the track link. I like to put something in there that kind of reference the link name. You can leave this blank because it'll automatically add information there as well. ClickMagick will go ahead and add that. And of course, you want to go ahead and put your link in there. Now, your next thing you want to do is actually test it. This is where you're going to give to your solo app provider or your Facebook ad account or anything like that. So this is where you want to be. This is your link you want to be marketing. Let's just put it that way. This is the link you want to market. This here, not here, this here. So then if you want to test it, you can go to preview link. And that's going to test the link here. And this is actually the capture page. This is the capture page. And this is the exit drop. So when I go up here, this all go ahead and comes down. So this is kind of exit pop-up, they call it. And you can add your email address here and it'll go right to my funnel, right? So I'll go right to my funnel. I'll click here. Let me just make one up. I'll click here, it goes there, and it'll go right to my funnel, right there. So that's how that works. That's how that works pretty well. It's pretty simple. So you want to do preview to make sure it's actually connecting to your funnel or to your actually website. So just go to preview here. You also can make a copy. So let's say if you want to use this again, you just click on copy. And it will actually, let's see, copy to clipboard. So it's actually copying it. So I can actually copy this. I don't have to right click in here. I just can copy this and it's automatically already saved up in my clipboard. So that's the basics of creating a tracking link. Now, all this other stuff here, this is a little bit more advanced, but you want to stick with the basics. Stick with the basic. Definitely want to click save here for you can save your changes. So we did create your account, log in, go right to links, and fill out the information there. It's all you do right now. The rotators and the campaigns, that's at a later video. But this is what I want you to do. It's just basic ClickMagick 101. Creating a link, first logging in, but creating your account, logging in, and going ahead and create your link. And remember, this is what you want to use for your marketing. Give this to your solo app provider. Use this for any type of marketing that you're doing. Do not use your primary URL and you're good to go. So this is Adam Shelton signing out. Don't forget, right below this video is your 14 free trial for ClickMagick. You can go ahead and sign up for 2 weeks and check it out for yourself. You can reference this video, just using the basic fundamentals of ClickMagick. And I hope this video was very helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Adam Shelton here. Click on that link for your 14-day free trial, and I'll see you on the next video.